So here's my final project for the Rails section of Learn Verified. I built a recipe and ingredient tracker called Fridge Saver. The basic idea is that you'd be able to look in your fridge and browse by ingredient or browse by recipe. And so this is the first page that loads, is an about page if you're not signed in. So we can sign in with an account that I've created already. We can also sign up and set your user role as either a user, a moderator, or an admin, which I will go into in a moment. I've set up Omniauth, and that's run through Devise to be able to sign in through Twitter and Facebook. So this will refer me to Twitter, verify me, and then log me in. And you can see this is under my Twitter name, Lucas Moore. I can also log out and sign in with Facebook, which refers me to Facebook, and back. And now it's Lucas Edward, which is my Facebook name. So once I'm logged in, I can browse either by ingredient or by recipe, which has your recipes, the recipe the user has created on top, and then all recipes in the database are below that. So first by ingredient, if you click and see the ingredient page lists a bunch of the recipes that use those ingredients. I can also add a new ingredient if I think of something like coffee, and that shows up. I already added coffee once too. And then for recipes, the recipes have the user's name and a rating that the creator has given it out of 5, and then a short recipe description as well as ingredients and amounts. So comments load, and I can add my own comment. A user only has permission to delete or edit their own comments. Which uses Pundit to basically verify their role. But what's cool is a moderator is able to edit all comments, and then an administrator is able to edit all of the recipe and everything. So I'll log out and sign in as email.net. Yes, so now I'm logged in as an administrator. And if we look at comments, I now have the power to delete other people's comments as well as to edit all comments. And that is essentially it. It's a pretty simple application that does a lot of cool authorization stuff.